Oh gosh, I have been in the industry for over 40 years now, and I'm telling you right now, this is my home. I love it here. It's a great company, great people. From the porters out in the service drive to the general managers at all of the stores, everybody is just very family oriented, very employee focused, and it's just a wonderful environment. It truly is.
I'm here today at Stuteville, Ponca City, and I'm here with Jim Arnold. Jim Arnold is the Fixed Operations Manager for the Stuteville Auto Group. I help automotive service technicians get jobs at Oklahoma Ford dealers. I'm the Ford Dealers of Oklahoma's technical recruiting liaison. I facilitate and initiate the hiring process. If you or someone you know would like more information, please contact me at 918-928-7433. Email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Now let's get back to it. I'm here today at Stuteville, Ponca City, and I'm here with Jim Arnold. Jim Arnold is the Fixed Operations Manager for the Stuteville Auto Group, which is not just Ford's, all the other brands around
Absolutely.
the state. Now they have some in Arkansas too, is that correct?
No, actually we have 3 Ford stores, Ponca City, Ponca City, Tahlequah, and Atoka. I also have a Chevrolet store in Durant and Ponca City, and then a Chrysler Jeep Dodge in Poto.
What's great about this store?
Oh, this store has got a wonderful, for one thing, the business. I mean, we're in the heartland of Oklahoma. We got a lot of farm. We got a lot of agricultural clients. So therefore, we have a ton of business. We're right here off of the highway, so we get a lot of the traveling customers as well. It's a wonderful community as far as there's a lot to do. There's hunting, there's fishing, there's a lot of good retail restaurants and everything. It's just a wonderful place.
Heard there's some casinos around.
Oh, Oklahoma, man, we always have casinos. Yes, indeed, all kinds of nightlife and activities.
Yeah. So we have some opportunity here at Stuteville.
Yes.
What future opportunities for this store is coming up?
Well, I tell you, I've got some retirees that's going to be coming up. I've got a senior master that's going to be retiring here in just a few months. So I'm always looking for talent. But immediately, I need a good, strong diesel tech. I need a good, strong transmission tech. I need a good, strong drivability tech. Basically, bumper to bumper. We also support the youth, so we've got several students in the OSU IT program. So we're growing our own, but yet at the same time, when you've got students that they're going through school, they're still a while out before they're going to be proficient. And with retirees coming up, I've got definitely have openings to fill immediately.
Yeah, and we was talking with Ronnie last week, and he's willing to help with people get moved into to Ponca City.
Sure.
So there's opportunity to do training,
yes,
which Stuteville takes care of paying for training.
Yes.
There's opportunity to expand your skill set.
Yes.
But if you're fully certified for Ford, you can definitely come in here and hit the ground running. There's
Absolutely.
Plenty of work.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Without a doubt.
So with this clientele and the way the economy is, everything's growing. So what's good about being a technician for a Ford dealership?
Oh gosh, being a technician virtually for any dealership is a golden opportunity, for the simple fact that as long as there's cars on the road, there's going to need a need for technicians to keep them running. So we're no different than anybody else. We have plenty of customers out there. We take good care of our customers, so we have repeat business. And there's just always a need, and these cars, they get more and more complicated, so it takes a very highly trained and very strong skill set to keep them going.
So what do you look for in a technician? What is the soft skills, hard skills that I know we talked about the training and the certifications in those areas, but what about the soft skills? What do you need?
Basically, I need somebody who can understand the complexities on how these cars work. somebody that goes beyond just the obvious things. You know, if they pull in a car and it just doesn't show up obviously what's wrong with it, you know, they know how to dig into it and step by step process of elimination, and just going through there and digging it out. Of course, working hand in hand with Ford, they've got a lot of good training manuals online. We've got a good hotline that, you know, we can contact our field service engineers. But there's all kinds of stuff like that we have that is just, you know, tools in our tool belt, and they have to know how to use that. And, you know, we train too, but again, you know, they just need to have the ability to want to go the extra mile.
So, good benefits with Stuteville.
Absolutely, some of the best. We have for the employee, Stuteville takes care of, for example, we have Blue Cross and Blue Shield insurance. All the employee has to pay is $50, and we take care of the rest. You know, family, of course, is on top of that, and of course, any of the, you know, medical, dental, vision, and things like that is a little bit more. But I mean, for your basic health care, we take care of all but $50 of it, and that's unheard of in this industry.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Vacation time. Is Stuteville got good vacation time?
Absolutely. 1 week after a year, 2 weeks after 2 years, and then it goes from there. Of course, you know, paid holidays. I think there's like 7 standard holidays throughout the year, and you know, we're just, it's a family business. You know, it's not a big corporate conglomerate. Eric Stuteville is hands-on running these stores, and you know, he wants everybody to feel like they're part of the family, and it's just a wonderful environment.
So how long have you been in the industry, Jim?
Oh gosh, I have been in the industry for over 40 years now, and I'm telling you right now, this is my home. I love it here. It's a great company, great people. From the porters out in the service drive to the general managers at all of the stores, everybody is just, you know, very family oriented, very employee focused, and it's just a wonderful environment. It truly is.
So what would you advise somebody that's interested in going to work at one of the dealerships? Would they just contact you, maybe come up here and take a tour?
Sure, by all means. You know, reach out to our website, stutevilleauto.com, or the individual stores, depending upon your location. And you can either, you know, fill out an application online, and in which case one of us will be reaching out to you, or if you just want to just give us a call, we'll be more than happy to talk to you.
Awesome. Jim, I want to tell you thank you and appreciate you taking the time to do this interview.
Thank you.
And I appreciate your time, and
Absolutely.
we'll get out of your hair.